Alright, coming live from Upper Brokeville. We just got his stripes to come through here, and we just kind of cut it by the door, and then we were like, oh, I don't know what to do. Here's what I do. I'm going to push these in kind of from the ends, which I've already done, to get it kind of like this and leave a little bit there. Make sure these are pulled out still, so you can kind of get the vinyl into the crack. You just want it kind of as in there as you can. And then since I am turning tricks in a parking lot, we get the we don't got no power, so we go real quick, just a one shot. Just enough. I just think so. It's just beautiful. Watch you don't burn your face off using a torch. Torches are fun, as long as you keep your face. And then you just kind of keep those around. And this, if you cut it here, it almost gives you just enough to kind of go around the inside of the door. You don't have to go around the door and trim it on the open the door and trim it on the inside. But it goes around enough so it looks like it's all the way. And then you just want to put a cut down this seam, because the vinyl doesn't like going over seams. But if you cut it, it'll stay there. And push it in there with the old squeegee. Beautiful joint there. And then this one here, we got these little rivets here, kind of a pain in the butt. This one still got some schmank on it. And get in there. And any little crap that you can see around the rivet, vinyl doesn't like to stick to crap. Nobody likes crap, vinyl doesn't either. Some of that is abrasion. Some of that is it's mostly clean. It just looks kind of junky. Alright, so then your squeegee, you just want to push it in between them, kind of all the way to the thing, and then kind of keep it spread open here as much as you can. This one's kind of a pain because it gets close to the edge, but if you kind of seal the top off here like this, kind of get it so it's flat against the edge there. And I've already gone in around the back of the bunk here as far as it'll go to the seam with the rivets that are a pain in the butt to sink. And then you just pull this kind of out of here. Make sure it's not touching this so that it'll push in nice. Kind of get it in there so it's kind of nice anyway, flattish. You gotta be quick on the thing. This is an auto light torch. If you have one that you gotta turn on and then feather, sometimes they work okay, sometimes they don't, depending on the tip. Okay, and then we're here. We get that around there kind of nice, and then they'll land nice and flat, and then you just hook your knife on the edge so it's not hitting anything visible. It's just kind of sliding down that rear quarter panel, and then we're done. And you just kind of hook that little 1/4 inch piece out, and you're basically done. If you get any space in there. You can give it a little persuasion with the edge of your squeegee. Don't press too hard, or you can rip it or mark it. But if you scare yourself up a little bubble, just poke it and squeeze it. And this one here, this way leaves almost no air in there, but it never hurts to kind of tighten up this thing, because you always kind of gather a tiny little bubble there. But if you do it this way, you don't even have, you don't have to pop a whole bunch of bubbles around it. You just kind of, any of them that you can kind of squeeze out to the side like that, it's definitely the easier way to go here. Popping them rivets. All right, lighters.